need to remove this sheet. So you use your nail puller. You want the teeth to be positioned about a 1/4 inch above the nail that you need to remove. Hold it at an angle like this. And it doesn't matter if you come from the side, come from the top, or come from the bottom. It just depends on the position of your body and what feels comfortable. So for me, I'm going to drive straight down so that when the teeth get into the nail, I can just pull straight up, removing the nail. So holding the nail puller just like this, hit the back of it until the teeth sink on either side of the head. Pull straight up.